Hello adventurers, this is Laksventures and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to bring you along on a journey to a place that's stolen a piece of my heart, Cape Weligama in Sri Lanka. This isn't just a trip, it's a dive into a world of incredible beauty, deep culture and unforgettable moments. Are you ready to explore with me? Let's get going! Tucked away on Sri Lanka's southern coast, Cape Weligama is a gem that's all about stunning views, warm smiles and a vibe that's hard to describe in just words. It feels like stepping into a whole new world, a place where every corner has its own story. Our adventure starts in the heart of a local market. This place is a riot of colors, flavors and sounds. It's where you truly get to see the soul of this place shine through. From juicy fruits that look like they've been painted by an artist, to crafts that carry the spirit of Sri Lanka. Every bit of it's mesmerizing.
Hi guys, we are still in south of Sri Lanka. We are in Mirissa today, and Mirissa is the surfing hotspot. You have so many surf schools, you barely have to walk a few meters and there is one surf school after another. You don't even need to book it in advance, you can just walk by and there will be always somebody free to give you a lesson. If you don't want to learn, don't you worry, you can just chill, smoke, have a drink and just look at the crowd. It's a very, very lively place to be during the day but also during the night.
But what's a visit to Cape Weligama without embracing the call of the ocean? Whether you love riding the waves or just want to chill and catch golden tan, the sea here has a way of speaking to your soul. It's like the ocean itself is inviting you to play, explore and let go of all your worries.
Hi guys, here's Laksventures again. We are still at Cape Weligama and this is the lunch area with the amazing view. It's stunning. It's also incredibly hot, but because there are a little bit clouds, it's still fine. So this side you see the East Beach. Close to the East Beach there is a small little bay where there are a lot of surfers. So I've been walking over, which was quite interesting. They even had a party on Friday night, which lasted until the morning. I heard, I didn't go there myself. Next to the beach, more on the east side, there is Mirissa. And Mirissa is a small surfer spot. So a lot of people come here, a lot of tourists. I think, as I can see, some tourists never went back. They came over here a few years ago and they still stay there. A little bit like Goa style, I would say. So on the other side, on the west side, there is Galle, which is about 45 minutes from here. Galle has a lighthouse, we will go there tomorrow, you will see it, and it's like a main spot for all the vessels passing by. They also have a harbor over there. Right here is only open sea, you can see nothing else, and then at the end there will be Antarctica.
After a day of adventure, there is no better place to relax than one of Cape Weligama's luxurious resorts. Here, elegance meets serenity, offering a haven of comfort with breathtaking views that stretch into the horizon. It's a place where every sunset is spectacle, and every moment is a memory in the making. And for those seeking a deeper connection, the spiritual heart of Sri Lanka is never far away. The spiritual spots around here offer a peaceful escape. It's amazing how just a few moments in these sacred spaces can feel like a deep calming breath for your soul. Now let's talk food, because wow, the flavors here are out of this world. Every bite is a burst of joy, a mix of spices and sweetness that tells the story of the island. Sharing a meal with the locals, listening to their stories. It's the heart of what traveling is all about.
Hi guys, we are at Cape Weligama here today for an amazing lunch and we have the absolute fantastic chef here. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So, how are you today?
Very well, very well. I'm happy that you're serving such a fantastic food again.
Yeah, thank you very much for your feedback. Actually, the Sri Lankan curry palette is different. So most of the time we are using all the Sri Lankan item in spices and aroma, whatever, even all the ingredients. Normally, most of the ingredients we are buying from they're very close by here. Even the rice, even chicken, even the other things, and other curry and all the spices as well. So I will explain one by one different palettes. So the chicken curry base is a curry powder and a coconut milk and a tomato, onion, garlic, ginger. This is most of the spices what we are using for that. And this garlic and onion, coriander, those things must there because that's the flavor will be there. And so that the roasted curry powder and the unroasted curry powder as well there. The yellow color will become the turmeric powder. So the chicken curry and dal curry and the pumpkin curry we are using base of the coconut milk.
Yes.
We are traditional.
So everything is a little bit spicy, right?
Yeah.
Normally, I have problems to eat spicy.
Yeah.
But the spice level should be like this, right? So
Yeah.
it gives the special taste. Sri Lankan cuisine is very
Yes.
spicy, right?
Yes. We are using the curry powder. There's a little bit spicy and a chili powder as well.
Yes.
So, but I know your palate is not spicy, so we make reduce spicy and we make for you. But normally our spicy level is a little bit high.
Yes.
A little bit
And
high.
this, chef, is that traditional cuisine from the southern area in Sri Lanka, or is it all over?
This is all of them.
All over.
Yeah. Sometimes we are doing we are using fish ambultia, which is cured fish. So that is the tradition from this area.
Yes.
So for the dinner, you can see our menu. There's a chicken ambultia. This is this area. The base is we are making from here. So, but this one is for all the. But
and I noticed one thing.
yes.
In the morning, less spicy food, right? I had this
Yes.
amazing rice porridge,
Yes.
especially made for
Yeah,
me,
especially
and that
for
was
you.
my favorite.
Yeah. So the breakfast actually we are not putting too much spices because even we are not eating that much spicy, but the breakfast because we need the light spicy for the breakfast. But lunch and dinner, yes. We are adding spicy.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thanks
very
for
much.
Your time
Thank you very
and
much for your time.
The food talk won't be complete without what Sri Lanka is also famous for: tea. Sri Lankan tea, also known for generations as Silon Tea, carries behind it a rich heritage and success story like no other. In over 150 years, the name Silon has become synonymous with the world's finest tea.
Sri Lanka is the country of the tea, and I'm currently enjoying black Silon tea. This brand is so famous it has been sold worldwide, and the owner, Mel J. Fernando, he established the company in 1988, and the tea, Dilma, is found after his two sons, Dilhan and Malik. There are a lot of books about the founder and about the tea and the company itself, and the interesting part is he started it up with no intention to get the tea famous, but more to have a passion behind. Reasons which drove me to write my story are not tea inspired. My story will reveal that all good things are open to many of us who believe in their own strengths. Perseverance and commitment, inspired and blessed by divine guidance.
As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of gold and purple, our journey at Cape Weligama comes to an end. But every end is just the beginning of another adventure. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep embarking on your own Laksventures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tales around the globe. This is Laksventures signing off from the breathtaking Cape Weligama. See you on the next trip.